Big Express entry update. Canada holds another PNP draw in January 2026. Canada has just conducted another Express entry draw, and it's further confirming how 2026 is shaping up for immigration hopefuls. On 20th January, Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada carried out its third Express entry draw of the year, once again targeting provincial nominee program candidates. This latest selection shows that provinces continue to play a central role in Canada's immigration strategy. Latest Express entry draw. Key details. In this round, IRCC issued 681 invitations to apply, and every single invitation went to candidates who already hold a provincial nomination. To receive an invitation, candidates needed a minimum CRS score of 746 and an Express entry profile submitted before 19 November 2025 at 4:09 am UTC. The CRS score looks high, but that's expected in PNP draws. Provincial nominees automatically receive 600 additional CRS points, which pushes cutoffs much higher than in CEC or category-based draws. Second PNP draw, third Express entry round of 2026. This 20th January draw is not an isolated event. It is the second PNP-specific Express entry draw of 2026, the third Express entry draw overall this year. Earlier this month, Canada opened 2026 with a PNP draw on 5th January, issuing 574 invitations at a CRS of 711. Just 2 days later, on 7th January, IRCC made headlines with a massive Canadian Experience class draw, issuing 8,000 ITAs with a CRS cutoff of 511. Together, these three draws give us a very clear picture of IRCC's earlier priorities. What the 2026 draw pattern is telling us. So far, 100% of Express entry draws in 2026 have targeted either provincial nominees or candidates with Canadian work experience. There have been no all-program draws yet. This signals a deliberate focus on applicants who are already integrated into Canada's labour market or selected by provinces to meet regional shortages. In practical terms, Canada is prioritizing in Canada talent, employer-backed and province-selected candidates, faster economic integration. Express entry numbers so far this year, with 20th January draw included, IRCC has now issued 9,255 Express entry invitations in 2026. Out of these, 8,000 ITAs went to Canadian Experience class candidates, and 1,255 ITAs have gone to provincial nominee program candidates. The numbers clearly show that CEC and PNP are dominating early selections this year. Why January draws matter so much? January is always a critical month for Express entry. Because PR processing typically takes 6 months or more, IRCC relies on earlier draws to stay on track with its annual immigration targets. Issuing invitations now allows enough time for applications to be processed, approved, and finalized within the same year. The pace we're seeing in January strongly suggests that 2026 will be an active year, but likely one built around targeted and program-specific draws, not broad invitations. What this means for Express entry candidates. If you're in the Express entry pool, this draw reinforces a key message. A provincial nomination remains one of the strongest pathways to PR. Canadian work experience continues to be highly valued. Candidates without PNPs may need to rely on CEC or category-based draws as they appear later in the year. As IRCC continues rolling out its 2026 strategy, more program-specific draws are expected in the coming weeks. Conclusion. As Canada's 2026 immigration strategy continues to unfold, one thing is clear. Targeted pathways like PNP and CEC are leading the way. Staying informed, planning smartly, and choosing the right route will be crucial for Express entry candidates this year. The right move at the right time could make all the difference. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.